Chiwenga, a former military commander who played a pivotal role in Mnangagwa's rise to power, is believed to be growing increasingly frustrated with the president's grip on state resources and patronage networks. Sanamina mashoko ari kunzi aiwa chatsva panguva ino zviri kuonekwa kunzi General Chiwenga panguva ino vanenge vari kufrustratewa kana kubhowekana nezviri kuitiwa ne the current leadership. Iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa their grip to state resources patronage networks are kuingiriza. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina pana pa Zimbabwe and It is allies within the security sector and war veterans. Secors have reportedly been sidelined, leading to heightened factional tensions. Gezasi call for mass demonstrations on March 31 has added a new dimension to the internal struggle. While Mnangagwa's administration has dismissed Gezas as a political fatigue, his ability to mobilize resistance, especially among disgruntled ex-military personnel, has become a growing concern for the government. The targeted attacks on Chivayo and Tagwire, both seen as Mnangagwa's financial pillars, signal an escalation in political hostilities. With just days left before the scheduled demonstration, security forces have reportedly been placed on high alert with increased surveillance and roadblocks set up across major cities. Analysts believe that the ZRP and state intelligence agencies will likely intensify crackdowns on opposition figures and activists suspected of aligning with the Gezasi movement. Ndomashikana mudanyora kuna panguva ino atiri kuona kuti aiwa panguva ino chakachaya tokuona the ZRP the state intelligence panguva ino aiwa vatotanga kutobata even ukada vana Chibaya, they've been captured. Vari kususpectwa kunzi aiwa they are aligning themselves with bombshell Geza. Tudze mafungiro enyu mari kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi pena comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.